Warm-ups, speed exercises, hand independence exercises, they're all super important. But sometimes, let's be honest, they can sound kinda not so inspiring. So in this lesson, it's my goal to teach you how to play some exercises that will increase your speed, your dexterity, your coordination, your independence, all of those things, but also sound super beautiful. So let's dive in. So almost every piano player I know at some point complains about their left hand. Like it's just not keeping up. So what I'd like to begin with is an exercise that targets our left hand. So I want you to place your 5 finger on C, and we're gonna be going dun 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 dun, C, D, E, D, E, F, C. Doesn't sound super pretty yet, but just bear with me. We're gonna get some fifths going in our right hand. Watch this. Now, if you're anything like me, that coordination between the 5 and 4 finger just feels crunchy. So you're going for really even, really smooth. You could move your left hand down to maybe G. And then F. And then back to C. So that's a great way to just kind of warm up your hands. It's very calming, very relaxing. And work on the dexterity between your 5, your 4, and your 3 fingers in your left hand. All right, the next exercise has us working on some coordination between the hands. So when you put the parts separately, it's very simple. So in our right hand, we're gonna be playing C, G, and C. And you can't stop. You have to keep this going. You have to be able to play this without thinking about it. So see if you can look away from your hands. Take a deep breath, and when you're ready, our left hand is gonna play. Again. Now let's try playing the G. Here we go. And back to C. Now really, you could take this pattern with your left hand and begin it on any note. So pretty. So all I'm doing is I'm picking a note with my left and playing that note, the one right below it, and then skipping down a third. I'm doing that twice. And you put it together, it's quite a challenge to get both of your hands cooperating really, really nicely, keeping the tempo smooth. It's kind of like, you know, this, once you get it, it's like, yeah, but when you're trying to figure it out, it's kind of, you know, it's crunchy, but you can do it. So give that one a try. That's the second exercise. All right, our third exercise is gonna target speed and strength. So we worked on the 5-4 connection in our left hand, but we're gonna try with our right hand. So just do something with me. We're gonna play our 2 and our 3 finger on C and D. Just see how fast you can do it. Fun little trill. Now try that with your 5 and your 4. It feels terrible, and that's normal for absolutely everybody in the whole world. So we're gonna work on that a little bit with this exercise. Okay, so you're gonna go into a 5-finger scale position, and you're gonna play 5, 4, 3, 2. Then you're gonna go to your 4, 3, 2, 1. Then reset your hand. 5 finger goes to E. You repeat the pattern. Now 5 finger is gonna go to C, 4 on B, 5 on A, 4 on G, and then you're gonna place your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to end it. So one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, we can take this another step further by playing a descending C scale in our left hand. Watch this. Tuck. Now, with practice, you're going to be able to play that faster and faster. But you have to start slow, and the more you practice this, the faster you'll get. It's super pretty, and it's really, really gonna work on not only strengthening your right hand, it's gonna work on coordinating your hands. You're gonna be able to develop speed. So there you go. You've got 3 exercises that sound beautiful that are going to help you to become a better piano player. So comment below and let me know which of these was your very favorite, and happy practicing.